Hello everyone! May share na naman ako sa inyong trivia, Bible trivia. Alam nyo ba na si Daniel ay inilagay sa lion's den? Daniel cast into the lion's den. Dito natin yan mababasa sa Daniel chapter 6 verse 16. Then the king commanded, and they brought Daniel and cast him into the dens of lions. Now the king spake unto and said unto Daniel, Thy God whom thou servest continually, he will deliver thee. So naniniwala yung king. May rules dito si king. Meron siyang rules na walang ibang sasambahin kundi yung Diyos ni King Nebuchadnezzar. And then, si Daniel kasi, hindi siya sumasamba doon, kundi sa totoong Diyos. Tapos, nakita ito ng mga, parang naiinggit sa kanya. Tapos, nakita siyang nagpipray. Then, sinumbong siya. Tapos, natatakan ito ng singsing ng hari. So, ibig sabihin kasi, pag kailangan sundin yun kasi, kumbaga, natatakan na siya ng, kumbaga parang sa, naanuhan na siya, natatakan na siya. Yun. Kaya, idinala siya sa yungib ng mga leon. Pero yung king is naniniwala na tutulungan ka ng Diyos mo na sinasamba mo. Ito pa sa verse 17. And a stone was brought and laid upon the mouth of the den, and the king sealed it with his own signet, and with the signet of his lords, that the purpose might not be changed concerning Daniel. 18. The king went to his palace and passed the night fasting. So nagfasting pa siya. Neither were instruments of music brought before him, and his sleep went from him. So nagkaroon pa siya ng music para lang makatulog siya. Then 19, the king arose very early in the morning. So napakaaga pa ng gising ng king, and went in haste unto the den of lions. Chinek niya pa doon si Daniel kung buhay pa ba siya dun sa yungib ng leon. Verse 20, and when he came to the den, he cried with a lamentable voice unto Daniel. Sumigaw pa siya sumigaw pa siya. Chinek niya si Daniel, Daniel, kamusta ka? Parang gayon. And the king spake and said to Daniel, ito yung sinabi ng king, O Daniel, servant of the living God. So siya mismo, king siya, pero naniniwala siya na may totoong Diyos. Is thy God, whom thou servest continually, able to deliver thee from the lions? Verse 21. Then said Daniel unto the king, sumagot si Daniel, O king, live forever. And in verse 22, my God hath sent his angel and hath shut the lion's mouth, that they have not hurt me. For as much as before him innocency was found in me, and also before thee, O king, have I done no hurt. Ibig sabihin, may ipinadala ang Diyos ng anghel para itikom yung bibig ng lion. Servant of the Lord si Daniel. And then, talagang nagpipray siya ng 3 times. Nananalangin siya. Talagang siya lang, ang Diyos lang ang kanyang sinasamba. Wala nang iba. And then, ito yung binigay sa kanya ng Panginoon. At nakita at narinig ng king kung paano iniligtas ng Diyos si Daniel sa yungib ng mga leon. So, madami tong leon Kasi yungib ng leon And then, hindi siya nasgalusan, wala siyang nakuhang sugat or kung ano man. And verse 23, then was the king exceedingly glad for him. Natuwa pa yung king. O, diba? Saan ka pa na tuwang-tuwa yung king? Kung tutuusin, sumuway sa rules si Daniel. Kasi nga, ang sabi niya doon, ah, walang ibang sasambahin kundi yung Diyos nila ng king na yon. At wala nang iba, wala nang ibang yuyukuran, wala ka nang ibang luluhuran kundi papanalanginan kundi yung Diyos ng king. Pero hindi ginawa yun ni Daniel. And commanded that they should take Daniel up out of the den. So Daniel was taken up out of the den, and no manner of hurt was found upon him, because he believed in his God. So nanampalataya si Daniel. And verse 24, and the king commanded, and they brought those men which had accused Daniel, and they cast them into the den of lions, them, their children, and their wives, and the lions had the mastery of them, and break all their bones in pieces, or ever they came at the bottom of the den. Inilagay po sila doon, yung mga lalaking yun. Wala po kasi sinabi kung ilan. Tapos, kasama yung mga anak at asawa, ay kinain ng leon. Ayun, nakakalungkot kasi nadamay yung family nila. Pero, salamat pa rin kasi may patotoong, may testimony si Daniel at naipakita niya ito dun sa king at doon din sa lahat ng nandoon sa time na yun. Ayun lang po. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you and God bless. Please react, follow, and share.